Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing this Tumbler composter and it works really well. It's really good quality. It's quality build, quality materials. It's got the two doors here with the two different sides that you can mix different organic matter and do your composting, of course. And the thing about it, because I just think it is really good quality and well made, is that it took an hour and a half to put together. It wasn't hard, it just took a long time. So the base was super easy, but it was this. There's 8 panels to this, and you start with this one. Now this panel would have been helpful to have a second person helping, and then the rest of them I could do on my own. I did it all on my own. And when you get to the 8th panel, which is this one, you have to slide it under the original, which was this, and then put your screws in. I already screwed some stuff down when I realized I hadn't gotten this part underneath. So that's just a little tip. It works super well. I mean, I don't know if you've ever had a composter, but even though this is kind of a small one this way, it's got a good capacity. It's 43 gallons. So we absolutely love it.